Hello guys, welcome to my channel. I am Rajnikant and today's video we're gonna see how to install Java 15 in our local system, right? So this video is particularly for Windows operating system. So if you have not subscribed my channel yet, then do subscribe it immediately and hit the bell icon to get all the notifications, right? So ultimately you will be get benefited out of it. So let's see. So here is that link I will give you in the description section. So by clicking it, you can directly reach to this page, and from here you can download JDK15, right? So based on your system, if you are Mac or Linux or it's a Windows, you can download this one, right? So as mine one is a Windows, so I have downloaded JDK 15.0.1 Windows 64 bin.exe. So you can see here already that download.exe file is there, right? So let me go there and let's install. Simply double click and yes. Okay, then next. So it is asking that folder where it will gonna install, right? So you can see C program files jdk-15.0.1, right? So if you want to change, you can change, but I will say don't change, just keep it that folder only. Let's wait for some time. It will gonna install. Okay, you can see JDK 15 64-bit successfully installed, right? So we have successfully installed. Let me close this one. So we need to do some little bit configuration things in path variable. I mean, we need to set path variable and some other things. So let me open window E, then in this PC, then go to properties. Okay, before moving to properties, let me check it's installed properly. So where we have installed program files, then Java, then JDK 15, you can see, right? Already I have installed JDK 1.8 and this JDK 15 recently it's got installed, no? So this bin folder path we need to, so I have copied this path and let me go to here. You can see this PC properties and advanced system setting. Then we can go environment variable and here you can path is there, right? One path variable, just edit this one and here give a new path and let me put it here. Okay, so this one done, and one more thing we need to do is Java home, right? That variable as well. So already I have installed Java 8, so the Java home here is Java 8. So let me edit this one. Okay, some underscore one I am doing so that Java home will set with JDK 15 Java underscore home, and here let's keep this one and let's remove this bin. Okay, here we go. We'll remove this bin. Here we go. Okay, done. And okay, okay, good. Right, so how we can check that in our system Java 15 successfully got installed? So for that one we need to check in command prompt what is the Java version do you have. So let me open command prompt, say run as administrator, yes, and let me open Java hyphen version Java hyphen version. You can see Java version 15.0.1, and it's showing that version name, right? So we have installed Java 15 in our system successfully. So hope this video will be helpful to you people. Please do like, share and comment, and if you have any issues, please do a comment in the comment section. Definitely I will help you out. Thank you for watching.